This is a recipe for a crispy pata over an air fryer. Using an air fryer is a lot safer than deep frying. Ingredients are pork leg, black pepper, whole peppercorn, bay leaves, star anise, onions, garlic, pot of water, vinegar, rock salt, oil with soy sauce. Boil your pata with black pepper, whole peppercorn, bay leaves, star anise, onions, and garlic for about 1.5 hours. Remove your pata from the pot and air dry for about 1 hour. Once your pata is about room temperature, brush it with vinegar and add rock salt to the skin of your pata. Then, refrigerate your pata for a couple of hours to draw out moisture. After a couple of hours, wipe down your pata with kitchen tissue to remove the rock salt and excess moisture. Set your air fryer to 204 Celsius for 1 hour, then 230 Celsius for 30 minutes. Brush the skin with oil and soy sauce to get a good browning. Remove from your air fryer, then let it rest for 10 minutes before serving. Enjoy that crackling skin and juiciest meat.